somebody told me this before I started creating content.
Eh, posting every day but nobody clicks? This can be really frustrating. A beginner creator once told me,
I post every day but nobody clicks.
so you know what I did? I checked her content and I saw the problem immediately. She was teaching, but she wasn't making anyone curious. Her video started like,
Today, I will explain how to grow online.
no tension, no question, no reason to stay. Then I told her to change one thing. Instead of teaching first, make people curious. So she tried this.
Everyone says post every day, but this mistake kept me invisible for 6 good months.
Can you see that? She used same knowledge but a different opening. That single change got more clicks in 1 week than months of posting. What's the lesson? If your content doesn't spark curiosity, people scroll away, even if you have a brilliant idea. Teach, yes, but first make them want to listen. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell in order to get more content tips that actually works. Now, have you gotten any of my ebooks? If you want to start a business and do not know how to start, where to start, what to start, no goals, no objectives yet, then you need to get my book on pros and cons for businesses. If you need the secrets of affiliate marketing, I have got a book for you. If you need the content engine blueprint that can help you sell fast online, just click the description of this video to get the link of any of the ebooks and purchase yours while stock lasts. See you in forthcoming videos. Bye.